Hey there, rockstar entrepreneur. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Welcome. We're thrilled to have you join us on this journey of growth and discovery. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial, absolutely essential for your digital business, especially in today's rapidly evolving landscape. Conflict of interest, a challenge that every modern business must navigate, especially when you're using AI, because AI introduces a whole new layer of complexity to grow your empire. It's about scaling responsibly and sustainably. Think of it as a hidden trapdoor, lurking beneath the surface of your operations, on your path to success. A path that requires careful navigation and foresight. One misstep, one oversight, and trust can vanish, leaving you with a damaged reputation and lost opportunities. But don't worry, we've got your back. We're here to shine a spotlight on it, illuminating the potential pitfalls, so you can sidestep trouble, avoid those costly mistakes with confidence, knowing you're making informed and ethical decisions. You're building something incredible, a legacy that you can be proud of. Using AI to work smarter, to streamline your processes and boost your efficiency. But with great power, especially the power of AI, comes great responsibility. A responsibility to use it ethically and transparently. As you integrate AI, seamlessly weaving it into the fabric of your business, into your content, ensuring it's engaging and informative, marketing, crafting compelling campaigns that resonate with your audience, and recommendations, providing valuable insights and guidance to your customers, new risks can sneak in. Risks that you might not even be aware of. Our mission, our unwavering commitment, untangle those risks, to dissect them and understand their potential impact and make it simple, providing you with clear and concise solutions and actionable, so you can implement them immediately and effectively. Why care? Why is all of this so important? Because trust is the ultimate currency online. It's the foundation of every successful online business. A conflict of interest, a potential breach of that trust, even accidental, even if it's unintentional, can shatter it instantly, leaving you scrambling to repair the damage. Your audience trusts you, they rely on your expertise and guidance, to have their best interests, to always put them first at heart, to genuinely care about their success and well-being. Protecting that trust, safeguarding your reputation, is your #1 job. It's the most important thing you can do for your business. This isn't intended to be about stifling creativity. We want you to be innovative and push boundaries. It's about building. It's fundamentally about constructing a framework of integrity, a solid foundation of ethical principles that liberates you, that empowers you to make confident and ethical decisions. Use AI with confidence, knowing that you're doing it the right way, knowing your business is, knowing that your company is both profitable and principled. A winning combination for long-term success. So grab a notebook, get ready to take some notes, get comfy, find a quiet and comfortable space, and let's build and together, let's construct your ethical AI-powered empire. A business that's both powerful and responsible. One clear step, one deliberate action at a time. Progress is progress, no matter how small. You've got this. We believe in you and your ability to succeed. Let's break it down. What exactly constitutes a conflict of interest in the complex world of digital business? It's a term we hear often, but understanding its nuances is crucial for maintaining ethical practices and building lasting trust with your audience. At its core, a conflict of interest happens when your personal gain, whether it's financial, reputational, or otherwise, could cloud your professional judgment. It's about situations where your objectivity might be compromised, leading to decisions that benefit you more than your audience or clients. It's a tug of war, a delicate balancing act between what's best for you, your own interests and ambitions, and what's best, what truly serves for your audience, your followers, your customers, the people you aim to serve. Imagine being a blogger, a trusted voice in your niche, who gets a huge commission, a tempting offer, to recommend a subpar product. A product you know isn't up to par, doesn't deliver on its promises. If you push it as the best, singing its praises despite its flaws, without disclosure, without being transparent about the commission, that's a conflict. A clear conflict of interest that erodes trust. The key is potential. It's not just about actual harm done. Conflicts aren't always about wrongdoing, about intentionally deceiving anyone, but about situations, circumstances, where bias could creep in, where your judgment could be swayed, even subconsciously. In digital business, with its myriad of partnerships and collaborations, these pop up everywhere. in countless scenarios and situations. Affiliate marketing with its inherent commission structures, sponsored content, where transparency is paramount, client work, juggling multiple clients with potentially competing interests. Recognizing the potential for conflict, being aware of these situations is the first step, the crucial initial action to handling it with integrity, to navigating these challenges ethically and responsibly. Your audience is your North Star, the guiding principle in all your decisions. Every decision should be aligned to what's genuinely best for them, to providing real value and benefit. A conflict of interest, if left unaddressed, is like a magnet, a powerful force, pulling your compass off course, leading you astray from your true purpose. Our goal isn't to pretend, to naively believe those magnets don't exist, that conflicts of interest are non-existent, but to acknowledge, to recognize their presence and consciously steer true, to make deliberate choices that align with your values. That's how you build a brand, a reputation people believe in, a brand built on trust and integrity. Stay vigilant, be aware of potential conflicts, stay honest, be transparent in your dealings, and your audience, your loyal followers, will stick with you. They'll remain loyal and engaged. Trust is hard to earn. It takes time and consistent effort, easy to lose. A single misstep can shatter it. Let's keep your compass, your moral compass, pointed at true north, towards honesty, transparency, and the best interests of your audience. Now, let's add AI to the mix. AI is powerful, but it's not neutral. It's built by companies trained on specific data and can have hidden biases. When you use AI to generate content or recommendations, you might unknowingly inherit its conflicts. The black box problem: you don't always know why AI suggests what it does. For example, an AI might recommend products with the highest commissions, not the best quality. If you trust AI blindly, you risk automating conflicts of interest. Remember, you're the captain. AI is just a tool. You're responsible for what goes out under your name. Question its output, check its sources, and make sure everything aligns with your commitment to your audience. That's how you harness AI's power, without falling into hidden traps. Let's look at real-world messes, situations where AI's influence can lead to unintended consequences and ethical dilemmas. We're diving into scenarios that highlight the importance of critical thinking and responsible AI usage in professional settings. AI can create amazing things, but it's not without its flaws. It can also inadvertently promote certain agendas or provide biased information. Imagine you're a financial coach, dedicated to providing the best advice to your clients. Your AI writing tool promotes a budgeting app because its developer has ties to that company. It wasn't a conscious decision on your part, but the AI's algorithm favored its own. You unknowingly mislead your audience, potentially steering them towards a product that isn't the best fit for their needs. Or you run an eco-friendly store, committed to offering genuinely sustainable products. AI writes, "the most sustainable toothbrush ever." But you haven't verified it. You trusted the AI's claim without doing your own research. That's greenwashing. You're unintentionally misleading your customers about the product's environmental impact. As a course creator, dedicated to providing valuable and unbiased information, you use an AI research tool that favors its affiliate partners, subtly pushing their products and services in its search results. Your students get biased recommendations, limiting their exposure to a wider range of options and perspectives. Or, as a social media manager, responsible for crafting engaging and authentic content, your AI tool pushes its own stock photo service, subtly increasing costs for your clients. They might not even notice the gradual price hikes. In each case, your duty is to serve your audience or clients, providing them with the best possible service and unbiased information, not the AI's hidden interests or the interests of those who programmed it. These scenarios show how easy it is to slip up, even with the best intentions. The solution? Stay alert, question AI outputs, and always verify before you publish or recommend. Take ownership of the information you're putting out there. Don't let AI's hidden biases become your own. Your reputation depends on it. Keep your standards high and your audience will notice. They'll appreciate your commitment to honesty and transparency. Integrity is your best asset. It's what builds trust and fosters long-term relationships with your audience and clients. Here's the solution. Get crystal clear on your loyalties. Before you create or recommend anything, define who you serve. Your audience's trust comes first. Write down your declaration of integrity. Make it visible. For example, My #1 commitment is to provide honest, unbiased advice to help my audience succeed. This isn't fluff. It's your anchor when things get murky. With your declaration in hand, evaluate every AI tool. Does it help you serve your audience or just your wallet? If an AI tool pushes high-commission, low-quality products, it's not for you. This clarity simplifies decisions and keeps you on track. You're not just asking, can this AI make me money? But, does this AI help me serve with integrity? That's how you build a brand people trust. Let your loyalty guide every choice. It's your superpower in the digital age. Trust is priceless. Protect it. Next up, the full disclosure power move. Radical transparency. Be upfront about any potential conflicts. If you earn a commission, say so. Example: this post contains affiliate links. I only recommend products I truly believe in. Most people appreciate honesty and will support you more for it. When you use AI to create content, disclose that too. I used AI to help brainstorm this article, but all opinions are my own. Transparency builds trust and sets you apart as a modern, honest entrepreneur. The full disclosure power move is your shield against accusations of sneakiness. When you lay your cards on the table, there's nothing to hide. Operate from abundance, not fear. Honesty earns loyal followers. Make transparency a core part of your brand. Shout your affiliations proudly. It's a strength, not a weakness. The more open you are, the more your audience will trust you. Embrace it. Now let's get practical. Build your AI ethics guardrails. First, human-in-the-loop rule. Never publish AI-generated content without reviewing and fact-checking it yourself. Second, source investigation rule. Before using a new AI tool, research who made it and any commercial ties. If you can't find transparency, be cautious. Third, value first vetting rule. Never recommend a product you haven't personally vetted, no matter what AI suggests. The AI can suggest, but you decide. These guardrails keep your business ethical and your audience protected. They're not restrictive, they're liberating. Set your standards now so you don't have to agonize later. Guardrails are your business's constitution for the AI age. Stick to them, and you'll avoid most pitfalls. Your reputation will thank you. Ethical AI use is an ongoing practice, not a one-time fix. Schedule quarterly AI ethics reviews. Ask, are my tools still serving my audience? Have their terms changed? Am I too reliant on one tool? Stay curious. Follow AI news, listen to podcasts, and learn about new developments. The more you know, the better you'll spot potential conflicts. This isn't about perfection, but intention and correction. If a tool no longer aligns with your values, change it. Adapt as you learn. Regular check-ins keep your business resilient and ethical. Show your audience you're committed to doing the right thing, always. Curiosity and vigilance are your best friends. Keep learning, keep improving. You made it! Let's recap your ethical AI toolkit. First, get clear on your loyalties with a declaration of integrity. Second, use the full disclosure power move. Be radically transparent. Third, set up your AI ethics guardrails. Fourth, commit to regular check-ins and stay curious. These steps are your roadmap to success with integrity. The future belongs to those who build on trust. Using AI is your chance to lead with integrity and set a new standard. Every time you choose transparency and prioritize your audience, you build a legacy. Here's your call to action. Take 15 minutes now and write your declaration of integrity. Put it where you'll see it daily. You have the tools, knowledge, and heart. Go build something amazing and principled. The world is waiting for you.